Atomy Cream Mist.
We have different kinds of mists in Atomy, but this one is called cream mist, and it has a slightly different effect on our skin, especially women in the menopause stage or women who has cracked skin, and not actually only women, it's good for men also.
For dry and parched skin due to external factors, skin that flushes and cracks easily due to menopause or a weakened immune system, skin that feels dry and tight immediately after washing, and skin that appears tired and dull. Atomy Cream Mist is a smart and quick fix for more hydrated skin. It provides real hydration, moisturization from the inside out, and a glow effect. One of the ingredients is goat milk extract, which has many benefits. Other ingredients include ceramide NP, oat kernel extract, kelp extract, and hyaluronic acid. You get a synergy impact of a cream and a mist, and it is convenient moisture and nourishment anytime, anywhere. It also has an exceptional technology that boosts the effects of active ingredients. And number 5, it is a safe prescription with no irritation to sensitive skin. You can use it for makeup application, makeup touch-up, and body mist. You can use it during morning rush, when your skin feels dry due to temperature changes, for a healthy glow, or as a quick pick-me-up anytime. So this product is really good, especially for dry skin, flaky skin, or skin that feels tight after you wash it. It's a good way to moisturize it.
You can use it anywhere and anytime. Just put it in your purse and carry it wherever you go.
This is also a very good product around this time, winter time, because your skin gets very dry, and this is a good way to moisturize it.
You also can give it to someone as a gift. Packs in a really cute box, has a very small container. We're gonna test it right now. So you do like 3 sprays. Don't forget your neck. Thank you for watching this video.
And for the question of the day in this video, do you prefer to moisturize your face with a lotion or a cream or a mist?
Thank you.
Thanks for watching.